Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Oh, you're going to just show out on the road, so you want to come give me a light and ticket and tell me some break a stoplight. I did not break a stoplight. You can always request.
As I said before, ma'am. As I said before.
I did not come across.
As I said before, you can argue this in the court, and I'm going to ask you, please. I'm going to ask you, please, ma'am, to give me your documents, your driver's license, and your registration, ma'am.
And this is,
ma'am, I'm going to tell you again.
Keep up the law. I'm not keeping up no law because this is somebody telling them we're not unfair and wicked because I did not come through on a red light. I did not come through on a red light. I did not come through on a red light.
I am going to tell you, ma'am, I'm going to ask you to give me your driver's license, your documents,
so everybody that was behind,
and you will be issued with a ticket for disobeying the traffic light, ma'am.
No. So why didn't you stop the car that was behind me? Why didn't you stop the car that was behind me? That means he come through on us on a red light too. He came through on a red light too. Why didn't you stop him? Why you never stopped the car that was behind me?
For the fifth time, ma'am, I am going to ask you to give me your driver's license and your registration. You'll be issued with a ticket for disobeying the traffic light, ma'am.
I will be going to court because you are unfair. You are unfair. Why didn't you stop
that is your right, ma'am.
Behind me?
That is your right to go to the court if you think that
since I break the stoplight,
if you are not satisfied with the ticket, ma'am.
Since you are telling me, you are telling a lie on me that I break the stoplight. Why didn't you stop?
You're being recorded. You're being recorded, and if you are not satisfied with the ticket, ma'am,
I know.
You can always go to court. And you will get a fair trial.
I don't care, but because you are unfair, you are going to tell me that I stopped the light. You people
again, I am asking you, please. Again, I am asking you, please, ma'am. Again, I am asking you, please, ma'am, to give me your driver's license. Again, I am asking you, please, to give me your driver's license and your registration.
And then the one out there come and talk about, I did not come out on a red light. And you know this. You know. When it's a wicked set, uno police, when it's a wicked set, I did not come out on a red light. And just because him drive out and almost driving at the car. And that is the reason why I just because I said to him, just because I said, oh, them to drive up on the lights and give me some up on the lights and run back at people and come stop people and I'm going to tell me some come out on a red light. And you know some never come out on a red light. You know this. Not even, the light wasn't even yellow. You know this, officer. You're wicked. You're wicked. That's a wicked people. You're wicked. You're wicked. You drive out on me.
Mama, I am standing here now for 15 minutes, and I'm asking you please to give me your driver's license and your registration.
You're wicked. I know some never come out on a green light. You always do this. You drive out on the road and drive out on the station and drive out on the road. And then you want to come stop people and tell you about me run red light. So why you never stop every car that was behind me? Why didn't you stop them too? Since me run out on a red light, why didn't you stop every car that was behind me? Why didn't you stop them?
Let me pay for them, because we don't everything right, so give them.
It's in my handbag.
Where is the original documents, ma'am?
Sorry, it don't require for me to give you an original document. You're here. Give them. Still a photocopy or the same thing, we can't change it.
Give me still, sit here.
Man, he's a wicked policeman. He's wicked. I'm not stop saying you can record it up all over social media because I don't care. You should have stopped every car that was behind me since you know that I run the red light. But because you don't drive out on the road, I'm just go to me say, you don't even look where I go. You come run me down and
I have been standing here for 15 minutes. It's now 20 minutes and I'm telling you to give me the documents, ma'am. You've been issued with a ticket for disobeying the traffic light.
Don't tell me about me.
You have your day in court, ma'am.
For run no traffic light because I did not run a traffic light.
Where is the registration and the fitness certificate of fitness for the vehicle, ma'am?
I did not run a traffic light, so don't come tell me that. Don't tell me that because I did not run a traffic light. And that's what you do all the time. You know police, that is what you do all the time. You don't want to be wrong. You don't want to be wrong. I don't friggin' care what you want. You can't record it and put it on anywhere and carry go anywhere because we still are so unfair. You should have stopped every car. Since you knew that I run the stoplight, you should have stopped every car that was behind me. And all the rest of colleagues that were in there, we know say none of them now go arm something there because the whole of now want. You wicked.
Where is the certificate of fitness and the registration for the vehicle, ma'am? This is incorrect. This is saying 2018 and now it's 2019, ma'am.
Sir, thank you very much. It's a wicked set. I'm not stop saying wicked. You know, come run down people, but stop people, but give people a ticket. I will tell me some run a red light.
You will be issued a ticket for disobeying the traffic light.
I did not run a red light.
Is this a good police officer or not? How is his approach? Why is it that the lady is angry? See it? Those are some very, very interesting questions on this topic, you see me? Because here is a lady that is angry of the fact that she's about to get a traffic violation ticket. You see me? And she said that she did not do it. You understand me? Now, if you notice this time the police officer have theme phone a record what go on. You see me? So now that the police officer record what go on and so forth, which it really made me have to smile because guess what? It shows a little difference in a certain things right about now cause normally people always record certain situations what go on. Is it? Some of the time police officers will look at you and say that if you don't like the decision that he has made of giving you a traffic violation ticket, you see me, that you can take it to the court. You see? But you know, and this is for some instances, for some things will happen. This is not for everything, but when them said take it to the court, how you gonna take it to the court when you don't have any evidence to back up your story? Were you recording when time you're driving? Like, do you have any form of proof? You see? You see me? Like, for real, you see it? So these are the little things again, you see me? But why is it that people often have a problem with the law too? That is the next thing too. People have problem with the law like majorly. Even when the law is on the right, you know, them still want to give the officers them the wrong, you see me? But I'm going to point out something to a lot of people right about now, you see me? Have you ever heard of the police force going on a strike before? You see me? Because really and truly, I've never heard or even hear the police force go up on a strike, you see me? And to be honest, that wouldn't be a nice day or however long it will take, you see me? Because just imagine if the police force should go up on a strike. There would be no law and order during that time, you know. So, you know, say man go drive anywhere they feel like, man go loot, man go do this, and man go do all kind of things. Because guess what? There's no police officers on duty. You see the same police officers where a lot of people fight against, you cannot live without them. Yes, me know say have good and bad police, but at the same time, they are necessary to society to maintain order and keep some sick-head people in a control. You see? Alright? Well, anyways, I don't know thing go already. Is this policeman a good or bad police officer? You see me? I say, is he a good or bad one? And how is his approach? You see me? Lady angry for traffic violation, getting a ticket for traffic violation. You see? Anyways, I don't know, me only bring to you what I had on social media for keeping up to date and post it. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think, and always read the comments for updates on each post. My name is Seriousskilla. Big up on yourself, my people. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.